Hi lovelies, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Expression Fiber Arts. You guys might recall that I already did an unboxing of Expression Fiber Arts, but she was having such a good sale for Black Friday that I had to place a second order. And I say had to because it was literally 60% off. So I think that qualifies for a have to, don't you? And it was, if you bought 6 skeins or more of the silk blend, you could get 60% off. So I bought 6 skeins. Oh, and she even wrote my name on it. Oh, this is so pretty. So I bought 4 of one and 2 of another. Can't get it open. Oh my gosh, it feels amazing. So this is Expression Fiber Arts. This is, you go to expressionfiberarts.com. She does YouTube videos. I absolutely love her. Her name is Shandy. And I wish I knew what the colorway was on these. Maybe it's written on here and I just am not seeing it. Yes, it's fishing boat. It says right there. I didn't even see it. Okay, so I got 4 of the fishing boat. This is Superwash Merino Silk Pearlescent Fingering Wool. And it is 478 yards. And I don't know how many grams. It says to use a US size 0 to 7. So I guess it's all different sizes, but I figured with the fingering I could put two together and make it a DK weight. So I bought 4 of the fishing boat, and you should go to her website if you haven't seen it, because she gives you an inspiration photo, or she shows you an inspiration photo with the beautiful yarn, and she does such an amazing job on her yarn. She dyes things so well, and it's her and her husband. And I mean, look at this. I hope that you guys can see the beauty. It's kind of, that might be better. Maybe if I moved that light a little bit, you can pick up some of the other color. Oh, there we go. That's a good, if it will focus. But you can see there's pink and orange and purple and blue and teal and turquoise. It is just beautiful. So, so pretty. I love pink and blue, or purple and blue together. I love pink and blue together too, but I love purple and blue together. Oh, that might be good too. It's still a little blown out, but I think it's just because it has the silk in it and it's so shiny. I don't know, I think you guys get the picture. Oh, and here's some reds. It is just gorgeous. So there are 4 of these, and like I said, these are the fingering weight, so I was thinking that I might hold it double and make something with the 2 of them, with the 4 of them together. And then I got 2 of these, and these are called Fine China, and it is mostly lavender, and it has a little bit of mauve and some like maybe pink, definitely pink. There's some really pretty pink right over here with the beautiful, it's like white. Maybe it's not even white. No, I think it is white. It might be a lilac-y color or a light lavender, but it's pretty white looking to me, and it just keeps blowing out on the thing. But I got 2 skeins of that. So I have a total of 6, and like I said, it was 60% off, and it is just gorgeous. It feels so good and squishy, and it's all fingering weight, which is not something I usually go for, but I figured, what the heck. And you know what? I even kind of like it together. I don't know that I would do anything with it together, and this is one thing that I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with yet. I have a few thousand patterns that I can look through, but I am really excited about this. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.